Political parties, a group of persons having same ideology and holding same opinion on major political issues of the country is termed as political party. In other words, we can say the political party is an organized group of people who have common ideals and goals. Means political party means a group of people having common ideas and goals, and they have the same ideology. In one party, the all people have the same ideology. यदि ideology अलग अलग हो गए तो they cannot be go together. So they have the same ideology on some political major political issues, and it is a group of people. Political party means it's a group of people, but their ideology and their goals are same. And the parties create political awareness by using television, newspaper, magazines, social media and other media. So the political parties, they give awareness, and through this awareness they influence the public opinion, and they can attract the people to towards their side. Every political party brings election manifestos at the time of election, which contain the policies, ideals and program of the party. We already saw about this manifesto. Manifesto means that उन लोग क्या करने जा रहे हैं, मीन्स उनका आइडिया, एक पर्टिकुलर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का आइडिया क्या है, पॉलिसी क्या है, यह रिवील करने वाला है मैनिफेस्टो. सो सब भी अपनी मैनिफेस्टोस निकालते हैं. ओके, मीन्स अपनी प्रोग्राम एंड पॉलिसीज उन लोग बताते हैं. Every political party means we know that many political parties are there, and these political parties may be of two types: national parties and state parties. So national parties means they have influence in more than 4 states, and regional party is having influence only maybe in one state or in a particular region. And some example of these national political parties are All India Trinamool Congress, Bahujan Samajwadi Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India, National Congress Party, Indian National Congress. These are the important national political parties. There are 7 national parties in India, and many regional parties are there. 51 state parties, and there are 1785 parties which are not categorized. Means many parties are there. कुछ parties ऐसा है कि 1785 parties which are not categorized. उसको category भी नहीं किए कि ये कौन सा है, क्या है. And some regional political parties example है this AIADMK, Assam Ganapat Parishad, All India Forward Bloc, Biju Janata Dal, then JK National Conference. ये सब some regional political parties है. Next is opposition parties. The opposition means after the election, parties that are not a part of the government. Means so government जो बनाते majority मिला वो party, बाकी जो parties form the opposition. The opposition plays an important role in a democracy. जो पावर में नहीं है वो सब मिलके opposition parties होते हैं. उसमें जो ज़्यादा वोट किसको मिला, कौन सा पार्टी को मिला, उसकी लीडर जनरली opposition पार्टी का लीडर हो जाते. And they have some important duties. They have to check the government by criticizing its action. Government जो action लेते हैं उसको हमेशा देखना, चेक करना and criticize करना. यदि if they are doing any mistakes, any wrong politics, then they have to criticize it and opposition party can highlight the scams, wrong politics etc. जो भी स्कैम्स कर रहे, जो भी गलत मीन्स डिसीजन ले रहे, उसके लिए वो हाईलाइट करके हमेशा दिखाना. इट इज़ द ड्यूटी ऑफ opposition, and it monitors the function of the ruling party and ensure that it does not misuse the power, and it does not allow the government to become dictatorial. Means Dictatorial form of government you already learn in last lesson, मीन्स 1 person रूल होते हैं. तो वो जो डिक्टेटोरियल फॉर्म में गवर्नमेंट नहीं जाने के लिए द ओपोजिशन पार्टी हाउ टू वर्क, and it highlights the various challenges before the government so that public opinion can be generated. They have to give the information to the public. See, government is doing this, they are misusing the powers, and they are playing the wrong politics. Then through this they can generate the public opinion also. So this is all about the opposition party. And next topic is coalition government. We know that coalition government means sometime after the election no single party get the majority to form the government, then 2 or more parties came together to form a coalition government. Coalition government means after the election में कभी कभी one single party को majority नहीं मिलते, एक ही single party रूल करने के लिए मेजॉरिटी उतना जितना लगते उतना नहीं मिलते. सो डज नॉट गेट द मेजॉरिटी, देन they are not able to form the government. ऐसा सिचुएशन में they will take the help and cooperation from other political parties, and the government thus formed is known as coalition government. Understand? कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट मीन्स एक सिंगल पार्टी को मेजॉरिटी, पूरे मेजॉरिटी नहीं मिला, गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म करने के लिए जो रखा हुआ मेजॉरिटी नहीं मिला, तो बाकी पार्टी का हेल्प के साथ उन लोग जो गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म होते हैं, दैट इज़ नोन एज कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट. इन महाराष्ट्र नाउ दिस गवर्नमेंट इट इज़ ए कोलिशन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ 2 parties. Like that it is happened in general election also in 1977, and in 1999 to 2004 जो NDA गवर्नमेंट थे वो भी इट वाज आल्सो फॉर्म्ड बाय मोर देन 13 पार्टीज़. 13 पार्टीज़ का हेल्प लेके जो फॉर्म हो गया 1999 to 2004 का जो NDA गवर्नमेंट है. एंड दिस कोलिशन बिल्डिंग इज़ द एसेंस ऑफ ए डेमोक्रेटिक action because it teaches interested parties to negotiate with others, to compromise and to work within the constitutional system. Actually this coalition government it's good because it teaches interested parties to negotiate with each other. बाकी पार्टी के साथ कोऑपरेट करके और 2 पार्टी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ होके वर्क कैसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल फ्रेम में कैसे वर्क करना, ये सब इससे पता चलते हैं. एंड नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, देर आर अदर कंट्रीज टू लाइक USA, France, Germany which had the coalition government. Okay, so in this lesson we have learned about the universal adult franchise and especially the election and the election process. Then learn about the political parties. 2 kind of parties are 2 types of parties are there, national parties and state parties. The example of national parties also given in your book. The example for the national political parties are the All India Trinamool Congress, Bahujan Samaj Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India, Communist Party of India Marxist, and Indian National Congress and Nationalist Congress Party. These are the 7 main national political parties, and many regional parties are there. Some examples are given here, like Aam Aadmi Party, Arunachal Congress, AADMK, Biju Janata Dal, United and Secular, JK, National Conference. These are the regional parties. Okay, symbols of parties also, the national political parties symbols are given here. The main parties are there. All India Trinamool Congress symbol is there, and Bahujan Samaj Party, you know that elephant is the symbol of that party, and Bharatiya Janata Party, everybody knows that lotus is the symbol of Bharatiya Janata Party, and Communist Party symbol is there, and Congress Party symbol is there, and some other party symbols are there given here, and I am going to send these photos to you. Okay, thank you.